Al-Quraysh.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. لإيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف.
Welcome back to Quizlam. Here you have to guess the right answer. So if you do one question right, it equals to 5 points. Come on, let's start. Whoop! What type of surah is Surah Al-Quraysh? A. Makki, B. Madini, C. Both, D. Don't know. Tick tick, tick tick, tick tick, tick tick, tick tick. The correct answer is A. Makki. Elaboration. Surah Al-Quraysh was revealed in Makkah before Hijrah. Whoop! How many ayat are in Surah Al-Quraysh? A. 3, B. 5, C. 7, D. 4. Tick, 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 tick. The correct answer is D. 4. Elaboration. Surah Al-Quraysh is a short surah with 4 ayat with very strong message. Whoop! Which tribe is mentioned in Surah Al-Quraysh? A. Banu Hashim, B. Aus, C. Khazraj, D. Quraysh. Tick, 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 tick. The correct answer is D. Quraysh. Elaboration. Quraysh tribe is mentioned in Surah Al-Quraysh. This was the most respected tribe in Mecca, guardians of the Kaaba. Whoop! What is the main message of Surah Al-Quraysh? A. Feel the hunger. B. Worship Allah for His blessings. C. Expand trade. D. Migrate to Medina. Tick tick, tick tick, tick tick, tick tick. The correct answer is B. Worship Allah for His blessings. Elaboration. Gratitude to Allah should lead to worship. Blessings are a responsibility, not just comfort. Personal takeaway of the surah: Ibadah is the rightful response to blessings from Allah. What is your learning from the surah? Hope you learned something new today with me. See you next time. Wait! Before that, comment in the box below how much you got in the quiz. Thank you.